So today is the day after the full moon, and they told us that you're not supposed to pick the chamomile until the day after the full moon. So we checked the internet, and full moon was yesterday. So today we're gonna pick it. We're gonna go look at this sand here. I'm gonna fill up sandbags for him.
Okay.
Aww. Smells insanely delicately beautiful. Oh.
I can't believe this is chamomile tea that they sell. One second. Oh, I got a beat.
That's their life.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Chamomile as far as the eye can see.
Wow, this is incredible. So much. What if a snake jumped out of here right now? It could happen, you know that, right?
Yeah, George.
Because as I'm putting my hand in here,
Yeah.
it could come out. I'm not even wearing gloves. Think that's enough? Or the more the merrier? Get that out, too, Jake. We're gonna dry it up. Put it in a little jar and you can take it with you.
Oh. Yeah, I can bring it for a souvenir from my mom.
Oh, there
and
you go. And she'll see the actual picture.
I'm gonna get my brothers the cigarettes with the warnings for their souvenirs, and maybe like a little vodka or ouzo with the Greek writing on
Oh,
it.
yeah. Oh, the cigarettes. The other bag. This used to be my dad's proper land back in the day. This whole thing, all the way around. How many acres did he say?
I couldn't
I
understand,
think like 20 acres.
but it's big.
20 acres all the way down to those trees way, way back there.
Wow.
And the guy that owns it now, he's letting us come in here and pick this. We asked him. We didn't just come in some random place and start picking, you know?
Right. And what does he do? The one guy who owns it, is he?
He puts wheat. This is all wheat, and it
Ah.
goes for the animals.
Okay.
And then there's all olive trees that my parents had planted all the way around the property. So I don't know if he does olive oil too, but for sure wheat. Maybe olive oil just for the family.
Hmm.
'Cause I remember we used to get olive oil from the olive trees too. There's a lot of farming here. That's good. I'll get more. Why not? Good. I keep saying okay, but I keep saying. George and my dad.
They went to get dirt. Good dirt for you to grow, I think.
Oh, they're over there.
I can give it to my mom for Mother's Day. I'll say, you have to wait till I get back, but here is what you're getting.
Does she like this kind of stuff?
Yeah, she's like a natural.
Oh, she'll love it then.
She was like a hippie type, you know. And my auntie would like it too. She would love
There's a lot there. Because if you think about all the little bugs, there is a lot.
it. My auntie makes like her own soaps and things.
Oh, she could put this in there.
Yeah.
Chamomile soap. You know how good it would be? Because it's good for your skin too. I'm making that up. I don't know, but it probably is.
Oh, I think it relaxes you and it's
So it should be
like
good
a
for.
medicinal little flower.
Yeah.
I love tea. I'm like hooked on it.
That's what I want to go find, but I guess it's you have to go up on cliffs and stuff. But I want to do it also. I like the tea also. My son Tony,
Mm-hmm.
him and his girlfriend, they make it into iced tea.
I just did it. I haven't tried it yet,
They
but
love
I
it.
just
Like-
made it.
I want to send them a package, a little care package. Yeah, they discovered it when they came here to Greece and they started making iced tea out of it and they're addicted.
Okay, so I'm not the only one.
I'm not the only crazy one.
Because George was like getting all his coffees and all, and I would just put like this twig in some hot water and be like, oh, ah.
Yeah.
And he's kind of like, all right.
Yeah. A twig. But basically, yeah, that's what it is.
Yep, and I'll put sometimes a little lemon, a little honey, or
Yeah.
both.
Honey to sweeten it up.
But I like it plain, just like
You do?
yeah.
The beer.
Hi. Oh. Okay. Dry. Just put my mom's doing it. She's putting it here and just anything, tray. And then we're gonna leave it outside for how many days?
To dry.
Come on, hold on.
Maybe.
2-3 days or more? There's a
Or
bug.
one